This eyeliner is sharp. Oh my god, I don't want to mess it up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola, for those of you that don't know me. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to show you guys 6 different ways to style a band t-shirt. Band t-shirts are my favorite to wear. I have so many. And in this case, we're gonna be using this one. This is a Kiss and Aerosmith shirt. And I'm gonna show you guys outfits that range from your edgy rock and roll girl all the way to your casual business one. So lots to show you. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for this video, I thought it would be really fun if you guys kind of built the outfit with me. So we're starting from the beginning. So for this outfit, I wanted to do something that was kind of cute, edgy, and I wanted to use my Doc Martens that I showed you guys in my last video. I'm wearing the band t-shirt. I decided to pair it with this midi like cream color skirt. It actually has a belt, but I'm hiding it in the back, so I just cinched it in the back. So now we're just working with this. You can always pair it with a black skirt, a jean skirt, you name it. So I decided to wear my AC/DC socks because they also have red and yellow, the same colors that my shirt has. So you can only see the red and yellow stripes, and then I paired it with my Jaden Dr. Martens. They're 1.5 inch. For this look, you can use any type of combat boot or chunky boot. I decided to add pearls to this outfit just because, again, we want to make it girly but also edgy. So I decided to use this long pearls. So you can always wear it like this, or another way you can style it is by making one of them shorter and then kind of layer it like this, which also be super cute. So there we have the girly touch, right? Then I decided to add a blazer over this. In this case, I'm using this brown one that I thrifted. So I'm throwing this over, just like that. Just gives it a more put together, again, edgy, girly look. Now the next thing I'm going to be adding is a bag. So in this case, because I'm already working with black, yellow, and red, I decided to keep it simple. So I'm going to be using this fanny pack bag that I have. It's matte black. And the way I'm going to wear it is towards the back. So all you can see is the strap, and I'll kind of carry it like this, kind of you're carrying a backpack. And then the last thing is for jewelry, I decided to also keep it simple with just doing silver hoops because the focus is the pearl necklace and then some silver rings. Now the last item I would add to this outfit would be some cute black glasses. And I think sometimes it's cute to not actually wear them, to just kind of wear them on your head. I feel like it gives it a more like cool look, but of course if you want to wear your glasses like they're meant to be, it looks like this. Okay, so this next outfit is one of my absolute favorites because we're really playing with color in this one. So I have this beautiful silky skirt that I got from Zara almost like a year ago or a few months ago, but I never really wore it and I couldn't find something that really worked with it. So when I started styling this shirt, I said, you know what, I think now's the time to bring out the silk blue skirt and play with color. And you would think that a yellow and red band t-shirt would not go with this, but you'd be surprised the way you can make it work. So the first thing I'm going to do for this outfit is I'm going to be cuffing the sleeves. So we're going to do that just to give it a girlier cut to this shirt rather than just make it look boxy and large. Just like that. So we got our cuff sleeves. We're going to tuck in our shirt into our skirt. So just like that. For this outfit, I paired it with these pointy boots that have a buckle, silver buckle detail. And so the thing that's gonna tie in all of this outfit is the silver detailing and the blue. So for jewelry, I decided just to go with these simple, big, chunky hoops to tie in with the silver on the boots and then with my accessories. So the last two things I'm gonna be adding to this outfit is a leather jacket, which is my 90s style leather jacket that I talked about in my last video as well. But okay, so this is a quick tip. If your skirt, if this was a simple, like flowy, silky skirt, I would probably just put my jacket on. But because this jacket, this skirt has this knot right here, so we're already working with like volume on this side and then we have a slit going on, I suggest instead of wearing your jacket, if you can, to just drape it over your shoulders. So that way you're not blocking this cute detail that your skirt has, and you're also not getting in the way of your slit. So you know, you're just complementing the outfit rather than like getting in the way of it. Now, the last item I'm gonna be adding to this outfit is this beautiful bright blue little bag. So it looks like this. Again, this has the same style buckle as my boots, ties in with the silver, and look how cute this outfit is. Super, super cute, super girly, but also edgy. I would totally wear this out to go to the bar with my girls and stuff like that. Obviously, we can't go anywhere right now because of COVID, but a girl can dream, okay? But I just love how cute, simple, yet put together this outfit looks. The boots are from Poshmark. This was thrifted, vintage store, and Zara. So it's a mix of everything. And the hoops are from Target. Okay, so this next look is super easy to recreate. You just need a band tee or any big t-shirt and a strapless dress. So in this case, I'm using this strapless dress that I also showed in my last video, one that I thrifted. And first thing I'm gonna do is put it over my band t-shirt. So again, this one we're keeping the colors simple, but honestly, you can do this with any big t-shirt and strapless dress. But don't be afraid to start layering things that you wouldn't normally put together. So yeah, I did that, super cute. And then for this outfit, I'm doing gold details. Because we don't have a lot going on up here, I thought it would be fun to do some hoops that have little pearls. These are actually from Target. And then check out how I tie in this outfit together. So I'm doing these boots. I've had these for like a year, almost 2 years actually. I got these from Nordstrom. They are my Tory Burch tall boots that have a gold chain. So I'm tying in the gold chain to the gold chain on my earrings, and the cream color of the pearl I'm tying in with my jacket. So this is also another jacket that I showed in my last video. It's this oversized cream leather jacket. So I'm putting this over this look, which already makes it super street style, high fashion look with the oversized. Again, if you're gonna do a dress or a skirt with something that's oversized, I suggest making it a dress that's either shorter or at the same length as your jacket. This one's a little bit peaking, which is fine. And then I'm going to be doing this Kate Spade black bag that has a gold chain for my accessory. So everything ties in together, just like that. I think it's super cute. And then my favorite thing about this jacket is that it has these ties that also have gold. And then you can just tie it like this. And it also gives it a cute little like vibey businesswoman, cute, gonna go to a cafe, have a cappuccino type of look. Now for this, I did wear boots, but you can totally wear sneakers with this and some like peekaboo white socks. You can wear it with some like cute kitten heels. Like there's so many ways to do this outfit. If you're doing, again, if you're doing something that's brighter, I would suggest like an oversized leather jacket or like a normal jean jacket. So the idea is just to work with your layers, and yeah, this is this outfit. I really do love how it turned out. Super cute. Can't wait to wear it out. Okay, so this next outfit I love because it's so classy yet unique. So this is the one that I said was the modern day business woman. And in this case, I'm gonna use a pair of high-waisted denim jeans. These are my current favorite. They're the Curve Love from Abercrombie & Fitch. So for this, I don't really want to tuck in my shirt onto my jeans because I still want the detail of my buttons and everything to show, and also I want my waist to look more cinched. If I were to tuck in the baggy tee into my jeans, it would kind of make it look very bulky. So I just tucked it into my bra, so that's a quick tip. If you don't want to tuck it in, tuck it into your bra. So I did that all around. Now, for this outfit, I want to keep the jewelry super simple. So I'm only doing silver little ball studs, and I'm going to tie it in with the accessories I'm going to put later on. So for shoes, I decided to go with my pointy black stilettos that look like this. And then to give it that businesswoman vibe, I'm gonna be doing this long blazer-like coat. The cool part is that it has shoulder pads, so it's really gonna give my outfit a lot of form. So you see how the shoulder pads just make it look so nice and sharp. Now, another trick for this outfit, instead of putting the sleeves all the way down, I decided to cuff these just to give the outfit more dimension and a more structured look. Now, for jewelry, like I said, we're keeping the jewelry simple and classy. So by doing that is doing the trick of the matchy-matchy jewelry. So for a bracelet, I'm going to be doing this silver ball bracelet, like that. And then we're gonna do a matching necklace. And right away, it gives a more classy, put together look by doing the matchy jewelry. Now, the last thing to give this look the ultimate girl boss vibe is to add, of course, the perfect structured bag. Now for this one, I'm gonna be using this bright red bag that honestly, you can fit so many things into, and it really does give it the businesswoman vibe because you can carry everything in here. It's a great way to use a big bag, but use a structured one, because if you use a floppy one, it gives it a more loose vibe rather than very put together. So we're gonna pair it with this. And now you have your girl boss, badass outfit. Okay, so this next outfit I am so obsessed with. So this outfit, I call it the New Yorker meets Vogue woman meets man repeller. So this is the bitch I'm fashioned outfit. Why? Because it's slouchy yet cool, very street style and put together. So this outfit, we're gonna start with our band t-shirt. Now for this one, I decided to pair it with these thrifted white trousers. Look like this, have a big round button on here. Now for this one, I wanted to use something on my waist, but I didn't want to totally obstruct the view of the button. I didn't want something that was super tight or chunky, but was dimensional in a way. So I got creative and I got my bag strap. So this is a black bag strap, and I put it through the belt holes. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. We're gonna put, this has like, you know how like back straps have little clasps. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clasp this one onto this belt hole. Just like that. And then this longer one is gonna go all the way over here to this belt. And then now we have a really cool belt that adds dimension, is not tight, and then you can still see the button through it. Again, you can always get creative and use your back straps in different ways. If it has hooks, you can hook them onto the belt holes as many times as you want to wrap it around, or just get creative with it. So that's what we're doing for the belt. Now for shoes. For shoes, again, I want to give this a whole New Yorker Vogue-y vibe. So I decided to use my cream stilettos. These are a little bit lower than the ones I showed before, but they're these nude stilettos that I love, super comfy. For the jacket, this is where we get fun with the color. We're gonna use this big puffy jacket. So we're gonna put that on. And now you know why I'm calling this the New Yorker, because in New York they always use like puffy jackets with like graphic tees, trousers, heels. It's not something you would think you would pair together, but it really does work. It's because it's very simple, yet we have a lot going on. All we're gonna do is some earrings. So these are gonna give my outfit a girlier touch, but it's still not too much. It's just the perfect amount of something. Like that. Look how cute that looks. And because this is a more relaxed, slouchier look, we're gonna do the opposite of the previous outfit. Instead of doing a structured bag, we're gonna do a big bag and a slouchy one. For this one, I picked this simple black bag, and it gives it the perfect touch. Now on to the last outfit. So for this one, we're also gonna be experimenting with layering, but unlike the one I showed, this one we're gonna be wearing our t-shirt on top of our dress. So first I have this sweater dress I got from Princess Polly. Looks like this, long sleeve, high neck, which is exactly what we're looking for. So we're gonna get our band tee, and we're gonna put this over our dress. Over our dress, and the purpose of this is because we want that high neck, that turtleneck, and the long sleeve to pop out, just like that. Okay, so for this look, I am going to be cuffing my sleeves. Again, cuffing sleeves really helps make a baggy tee look a bit more structured and put together. So now this is what we have. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a belt. And for boots, I decided to just do these plain black boots that have no like silver or gold detailing. So ties in with what I'm doing with the belt. So I decided to do this like kind of like old gray belt that has a bunch of different hoops. So we're gonna put it like this, as tight as you want. I really want my waist to be cinched in this look because I do have a baggy tee over it. So I'm gonna do that. And then with the excess, I'm just gonna twist it and tuck it in. So just like that. Ooh, our look is coming together. There's a very like grungy punk look because the hoops on this belt really give it more personality. Now for jewelry, I decided to keep it simple. I'm tying in the silver on the belt. So for jewelry, I'm only doing a silver ring and these smaller silver hoops. So let's put these on. So just like that. And then for my purse, I'm going to be doing this super different leather baggie that has silver detailing. So again, I'm tying in together my silver hoops, the silver detail on the bag, and the silver detail on the belt. So super cute. Again, we're keeping it simple with the colors, but we're also doing a lot of different stuff that add a lot of personality and funkiness onto this outfit. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like the idea of me kind of putting together the outfit with you guys, or if you guys would prefer for me to just show you what I'm already wearing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more styling videos. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below as well, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!